Let's talk about question number 10. So question number 10 asks us to solve the equation log base 4 of a plus log base 4 of 9 equals log base 4 of 27. And they basically want us to find the value of a, which makes this equation true. Okay, so we're going to use some properties of logarithms to help us simplify this equation. So the first one is the product rule, which states that the log of base b of a plus the log base b of c is also equal to the log of base b of a times c. Okay, so this is the product rule. We're also going to use the quotient rule, which states that the log base b of a minus the log base b of c is also equal to the log base b of a divided by c. And the final property is that we want to know that the log base of b of a, which equals x, can also be written as b to the power of x equals a. Okay, so we're going to use these three properties to help us solve for a. Okay. So the first thing that we're going to do in our expression here is we're going to isolate, or we're going to move all our terms to the left-hand side. Okay, that'll make it easy for us to solve for a. Okay, so if we were to do that, we would get log base of 4 of a plus log base of 4 of 9 minus log base of 4 of 27. Okay, so at this point, you can calculate the log base of 4 of 9 and 27 and then isolate for a, but that's kind of trivial. We're going to use our properties of logarithms to simplify our expression here. Okay, so first of all, we're going to use the product rule, which states that the log base of 4 of a plus log base of 4 of 9 is also a times 9, or 9 times a, minus log base of 4 of 27 equals 0. And similarly, we're going to use the quotient rule to say that the log base of 4 of 9a minus log base of 4 of 27 is also equal to log base of 4 of 9a divided by 27 equals 0. Finally, we want to convert our logarithmic form to exponential form. So we're going to raise both sides to the power of 4. Okay, so we're going to apply 4 here and 4 here. So what does that look like? We're going to do 4 to the power of log base 4 of 9a divided by 27 equals 4 to the power of 0. So basically, I converted this to exponential form by basically putting the base of 4 on both sides. Right? So by doing this, we now are able to isolate, get rid of the log base of 4, and we have 9a divided by 27 equals 4 to the power of 0, which is equal to 1. Okay. Now we can isolate for a, which is going to be 9a equals 27, and a is equal to 3 if we divide both sides by 9. Okay. So we got here from this step to, we got from this step to this step by using our logarithmic to exponential form, which states that the log base of 4 of 9a divided by 27 equals 0 is also the same thing as writing 4 to the power of 0 equals 9a divided by 27. Okay, so we got from this step to this step by doing that. Okay, so we have found the value of a, which makes our original expression true, so this solution is correct. Okay, so that wraps up my lesson today. I covered 10 questions related to functions and also a little bit of calculus. So if you have any other issues or problems with your homework pertaining to math or chemistry, please submit them to OneClass and we'll get that done as soon as possible. But other than that, I wish you guys